Hello there. So today we will be discussing another automation tool, which is the Zapier. So Zapier is a service that you can use to connect applications and automate different tasks. So before we get started, uh, let's try to sign up with our Google account. Alright, so choose our Google account. And then you can see here, so we have is a task history module where you could see the history of every activities or task we'll be doing. So let's try to explore this Zapier first. Alright, so here on the Explore module, you will see different platforms. We have here the CRM, we have the email, the marketing, and by role. So let's try to create a workflow. So let's try with an email. Alright, so we have here the different top email applications. We have the Gmail, the Microsoft Office 365, the font, Microsoft Outlook, Mail Sparser, Flow Mail. So Mail is for CRM workforce. And we have here the Microsoft Exchange and many more. So let's try to choose Gmail. Alright, it will prompt into the pairing apps, which we have here: the Google Sheets, the Facebook Lead Ads, the Google Drive, the Trello, the Slack, Dropbox, Google Calendar, Google Forms, Airtable, and the ClickFunnels. So let's try to make a app by pairing our Google Sheet app. Alright, so the Gmail and the Google Sheet are already paired up. So let's try to connect our Gmail and Google Sheet. So we have here a list of workflows already, a template. Like the first one we have is the CD Gmail emails matching certain traits to Google spreadsheet. Second one, we have here the sent emails via Gmail when Google Sheet rules are updated. And we also have here add new incoming Gmail emails that match a label to Google Sheets as new rows. Load new Gmail emails from a specific sender to Google Sheets spreadsheet. Add new rows to Google Sheets for new emails on Gmail. Okay, so let's try to load more. Take a new Gmail emails from a specific sender, add in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try the send emails via Gmail when Google Sheets row are updated. Okay, so first, we have to choose an account. So for this example, we'll be choosing our Google Sheet. And then let's click continue. So right here, if you want to use this trigger with Google Team Drives, please add the star to this bug or issue within Google Drive. In the meantime, you can work around the issue using these steps. Okay, so let's choose a value. Let's use this one, full contacts. And let's choose this one. No more. Okay, so let's add a sheet one. Our trigger column will be any color. Okay, so let's click continue. Alright, so we got a notification that says test your trigger. We'll find a recent spreadsheet draw in your Google Sheets account. Google Sheets number 2 to confirm that the right account is connected and your trigger is set up correctly. So let's try to click the test trigger button. Okay, we found a spreadsheet row. This spreadsheet was found in your Google Sheets with my account, Google account name. And then let's try to click the continue button. Send email in Gmail. So choose app. So we have here the Gmail. Choose action event. We have the Gmail. So let's click the continue. Okay. We have to sign in into our Gmail account. Okay. Let's click this sign into Gmail button. Alright. Choose our Google account. And then click the allow button, of course, for the Zapier to access our Google account. Alright, and Gmail is a secure partner with Zapier, it says here. So click the continue. So customize. So let's try this one. Customize all. Okay. And gmail.com. And then choose value. Okay. Alright. Let's try enter me. Between okay, let's type in Zapier testing, and then okay, whatever, either Zapier's here. Okay, let's type in another, choose our signature. Okay, and then choose our mailbox. Okay, let's put this in our inbox, and attachment can be actual file. Okay, so we'll just not put any attachment in here. Just press the continue button, and then after this, let's test and review. Okay, as you can see, Zap is ready. Now turn it on. Click the button, turn it on. Okay, so you already created your first app. Congrats. So let's retest and continue. Alright. So let's check if we were able to receive a secret testing. Alright, so here you can see that we were able to receive our message that we typed in earlier, the hi there, secret sticker. Alright, so with that, we already created our very first app. That's one of the easiest way to create a workflow app here at the Zapier platform website. You really can see that Zapier is really a good automation tool for different business websites, and when it comes to managing more complex and advanced processes and workflows. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.